Two important announcements. Please do not eat within the auditorium. Please exit and eat outside, and then you can come in and watch the rest of the show. The second, while taking photographs or videos, please do not block the photographers who are taking the photos and videos of the program. It is preferred that you be seated and take the videos from your place. Thank you. We will now descend into the realms of Pallavis. In Odissi, the word Pallavi literally means blossoming. Just as a tiny seed sprouts and gradually grows into a magnificent tree with sprawling branches, this dance begins with slow, graceful movements and builds into a complex crescendo of rhythmic footwork and sculpturesque poses. The first Pallavi today will be presented by Srimati Srilekha Sunilji. Srilekha Sunil is an Odissi dancer and a senior disciple of Guru Sri Debashish Patnaik. She has devoted years to mastering the Odissi dance form, celebrated for its grace, spirituality, and intricate movements. Srilekha's journey in Odissi began at a very young age in Odisha under the tutelage of the esteemed Guru Dhruvacharan Biswal, where she laid the foundation of her art with dedication and passion. Currently, she continues to refine her skills and artistry in Bangalore under the guidance of Shringarmani Debashish Patnaik, one of the most revered mentors in the field. Srilekha has completed her Sangeet Prabhakar examination in Odissi from Prayag Sangeet Samiti, Allahabad, in first division and has secured third position in order of merit. She has had the privilege of performing at various prestigious festivals in India, including the Meera Dance Festival, Rasa Rangini, Anurati, and Krishna Anubhuti, to name a few. She has also performed for the Indian Council of Cultural Relations in Chennai. Srilekha was awarded the Natya Poshaka title for her outstanding performance in Odissi at Nritya Nrityathi festival held at Bangalore. Today, Srilekha will perform Bajrakanti Pallavi. This Pallavi is based on Bajrakanti Rag and Tala Ek Tali. The original choreographer of this Pallavi is Guru Durga Charan Ranbir and is re-choreographed by Guru Sri Debashish Patnaik.
tak ta di ti ti tak dhom ta di ti ti tak the tak ti ti ta de tak ta di na de tak de de ta de de tak tin ta tin tina tak tin ta tin tina dhak tin ta tin tina ka tin tak dhak tin ta tin tina din ta din tina din ta tin tina ka din ta din tina din ta tin tina ta tin tina ka tin tina ki ka tin ta ka ta de ta ka de ke de de tin ke de dha tin da de tin ke de dha tin da de tin ke de dha tin da de
ताजम झेना येना तारी झेना झेना ताजम ताजम तारी 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 gama pa gare sa samaga gama gama pa ma pani pani sa ni pani sa gama pa gare sa samaga gama gama pa ma pani pani sa ni pani sa gare ga sare ni sa pani ma pa gama pani sa ni sa gare ga sare ni sa pani ma pa gama pani sa ni sa gane sa ni da pa ma pa gama pani sa gane sa ni da pa ma pa gama pani sa gane sa ni da pa ma pa gama pani sa tari tari chom tari tajam झेना येना तारी झेना तैना ताजम ताजम तारी तारी जम तारी 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 ताजम झेना येना तारी झेना झेना ताजम ताजम तारी तारी जम ताजम 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 ताझेनु तारी ताझेनु हिना झेनु ताझेनु ताझेनु तारी ताझेनु हिना झेनु ताझेनु ताझेनु तारी ताझेनु हिना झेनु ताझेनु ताझेनु तारी ताझेना तारी जम तारी किटा तक जेनु जम ताझेनु तारी ताझेना ताझेनु तारी ताझेना ताझेनु तारी ताझेना ताजम 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 Sani sa pani mapa gama pa mapani sani sa pani sa maga maga re sani sa gama gama pa ni pani sani sa gare 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 sani sa maga mapa mapa ni pani sani sa gare sa paga re sa ni pani sa pasa ni da pa gama pa gama ma pa pa ma pa ni pa ni re sa